Hi everybody, welcome to Exploring Foods with Smitty, and I am bringing you along with me on a ride. I usually do cooking videos, but I know Thanksgiving was just over, and I know everyone has a lot of food, and we'll start getting cooking videos for the Christmas. So where I am right now is I am at Union Station. I am dropping my niece off, who is taking the bus back to New York, who came down for the Thanksgiving holiday, which I hope everyone had a great holiday. My cooking videos are going to be kind of sporadic right now because before the holidays I lost my husband, so this was kind of a hard holiday to get through. So what I'm doing is I'm just doing it as I can. So I'm going to take you with me. Instead of cooking something to eat when I get home, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Popeyes and try out their hot and spicy wings just to see how they are. So let me see how I can get out of here and we'll start our journey. So like, this is the hardest freaking parking lot to get out of because there's buses coming in and there's people coming in, and it's like, I don't understand why they don't make you back in these parks instead of backing out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go this way and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to drive out. They just had to get mad at me because this is not working for me, which it's like a dangerous situation really. So I'm in reverse and I'm backing around, and here comes a car, but they're gonna have to wait. Okay, let's get all turned around here. Okay, so it looks like the bus is still there or it's gone. I can't tell. So anyway, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go out through DC and come back around. There's like several ways you can go out, but I always go out this way. So I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. As I said, my Thanksgiving was kind of hard for me. Like I said, only because I did lose my husband before the holidays, like a week or two before the holidays. So that made this holiday really hard for me. So if my videos become a little sporadic, that's the reason why. It's not like I've stopped making videos because I really do enjoy doing them. But as I said, this is just a hard time right now. So what we're going to do, if you've never ridden before in DC, you're getting ready to do it. Because I am going to take you there. Come on, lady. I don't know if I'm supposed to make this turn, but I am. So, this is by the famous Union Station, the train station. And people are just walking out in front of me. Maybe I'm not supposed to be turning. No turn on red. So let me back it up because I already got enough tickets here in DC. So I guess I have to wait until the light turns green. It's a beautiful day here in DC too. Really, really beautiful. As you can see, the sun is blaring. And I'm scared to turn because I'm on First Street, and if I do, I'm not trying to get a ticket. But this light doesn't seem like it wants to turn either. Go. Ain't nobody coming. Oh, this is my turn to go. I'm telling them to go. So, I'm making my turn so that I can head to the Popeyes. And there's tons of Popeyes that I'm going to pass up going to only because I want to go through the drive-thru. I don't want to get out. And you know what? what? It's like people take their sweet time here in DC crossing the street. And it's like, hurry it up because I'm in a hurry and I ain't got time for that. Oh, this poor guy's car stopped on him. I wish I could give him a hand, but I can't. So I'll keep it moving. As I said, it's a beautiful day here today. The sun is shining. It's kind of crispy cold, and you can tell that the winter's coming in. I think it's only in the 40s. That's why I'm wearing a hat, because actually you need to have a hat on your head. I didn't know that cold escapes. So I am on H Street. I think this is H Street. Don't quote me. I'm trying to act like I know where I'm going. Hold on. Okay, so I finally arrived at Popeyes, and I am getting the hot and spicy wings with a drink, and I ordered the mango lemonade. Let's hope that it's good. And service here is kind of crappy, but we'll see what happens. There you go. Okay, so she gave me my food. She didn't give me my drink, so maybe that's coming. And what we're going to do is pull up in the parking lot and we're going to try it. Okay. Oops. Thank you. Okay, so I got a mango lemonade. And we're going to see just how good this is. So let's just pull over here. What the heck? Okay, so I got the sun shining in my face. I didn't try to do that, but anyway, I got the meal, which came with, these is my strawberry biscuits, which I do like their strawberry biscuits. I think they're good. And, okay, so let's try the strawberry biscuit. So this is the strawberry biscuit, and it's got like a covering. I don't know what it is about these, but I like them. Okay. It's very good. It's got a lot of sugar on it. It almost tastes like a cinnamon roll instead of a biscuit. Okay, so these are the signature hot wings. And this is what they look like. Let me see. Let's see if I can get you a good picture. There we go. This is what they look like. Why people keep selling a half a wing for a wing, I don't understand. But let's give it a taste. They were nice and crunchy. Woo! Oh, there's my red beans and rice. Okay, so they have a nice little crunch to them. And I'm going to tell you, the spice will get you. Let's take another bite. Very, very good. I would recommend you trying these. Mm. Nice and delicious. But I tell you what, those things will hit you and woo. Okay, so let's try. Well, oh yeah, it did give me a thing. So I tried the biscuit. And I'm putting my wings back in because I'm telling you, those things have a kick to them. And the kick is not playing. Okay. So, whew, let's try the red beans and rice. I have always liked their red beans and rice. They're very, very good. And as a matter of fact, I think they're vegetarian red beans and rice because they don't have any meat in them. So let's try these. With the kick of that chicken, whew. Just as good as I remember them. But that doggone chicken, I can still taste the heat from it. That's how much heat it's got. Okay. Red beans and rice are good. Biscuits good. Okay. So this is their mango lemonade. And they gave me a plastic straw, which is good because I hate those paper ones. I know they save the universe, but I don't like them. So anyway, this is mango lemonade. It's real mango-y. So in all, I would say they have a nice kick to them. And if you like really spicy, they're kind of spicy, but then they're kind of not. So, thank you for coming with me on this journey. I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. Be on the lookout for more videos. I'm going to try to do some cooking videos, as I said, but I have a lot of stuff going on right now. So I am trying to keep it together and just get through this time in my life. So here's to you. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving and enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I hope you got some good Black Friday sales. Alrighty. Thanks for joining Exploring Foods with Smitty. And we'll be back with you as soon as I get a video made. Have a good one.